close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an eye makeup look with you guys, reviewing this palette right here. So this is the 3-5 Bronze Goals, and it is the new eyeshadow palette that Morphe came out with. So I got it in the mail yesterday, so let's open this up. I have not looked at it, so this is the first time I'm looking at it with you guys. So let's open it. Still in its bubble wrap. Oh, the packaging is pretty. It's like a orange brown color, so it's like an ombre effect. So let's open this up. Ooh. See, I don't like when the palette's kind of like this plastic thing. I like it when it has the words already displayed on the palette. But this is what the shades look like. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I go in with is a concealer from Sephora, and today guys I am buying a eyeshadow primer. So just for you guys who are like, oh my god, she's not a real beauty guru, she doesn't use eyeshadow primer. Never said I was a beauty guru. So I am gonna put 3 dots on my eyes. So sorry if I'm looking down, I'm looking at my mirror. 3 dots, more dots, as many dots as your heart desires. I always say 3 dots, but then end up looking like this. Don't judge. So then I just get in with my finger. I don't go in with a brush, I just use my finger, and I just pat it in to my eye, just like this. No technique. You can rub it like this, you can pat it in, as long as you get it on your eyelid, that's all that matters at the end of the day. So let's go ahead and I just massage that in, let that dry. So I'm gonna go in with 2 colors. I'm gonna go in with Naked and SPF. So I'm gonna go in with that color right there, Naked, I think that's how you say it, and then SPF right there. So they're almost like the same colors. I'm using that for my crease, and I'm actually gonna use the Morphe M433. Tap out that excess and just blend. So what I'm doing is I'm just patting it down just like this onto my eyelid, and I'm just going in with the same colors but just adding more and just applying it, like patting it, so that way the colors can get on my eyelid. And I'm just putting it on my crease, so just right here on my crease. And now I'm just gonna go into like little windshield motions to blend it out, because you don't want to be going out in public and your eyeshadow is not blended, because that is not cute. So this is what it looks like, and so far I am loving this palette, girl. Like, I love how pigmented it is and how the eyeshadows go on your eyes. While I do my other eye, I'm just gonna talk to you guys real quick. So I have some big plans for when I hit 100 subscribers. I am gonna do a giveaway, so make sure you tell your friends and all of them to subscribe to my channel if you want a chance to win a giveaway. I'm not gonna tell you guys what I will be giving away, just know it's something beauty related. So next I am gonna go in with Tan Up and Heat Wave, and those are like almost the same color. So for this one I am gonna use the Morphe M441 outer corner. Oh girl, yes. Like, I love this palette. Like, this palette is so bomb. Actually I might apply it to my whole lid, so I'm just applying it to my whole lid. There you go. These are so pretty. Like, I think I'm gonna be using this palette for my everyday makeup. So this is what it looks like so far. Again, I am not finished, so if those people are out there like, girl, your eyes look crazy. Yes, they always look crazy. So one of my tips is whenever I put in like glitter, I get like a setting spray. You can use any setting spray. Like for instance, like if I don't use like the Morphe one, I use this one too. It's the Mario, I don't know how to say the other one, but this is what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. I have been using this for years. So ever since I ever started makeup, I've been using this, and it helps my face so much with like hydration. So that's what I use it for. So I'm just gonna spray it so that way you guys can see what it will look like. So I'm just spraying my brush. I'm gonna use Poolside Copacabana and Stunning. So it's this shade right here, this one, and this one right there. And I'm just gonna apply this in my inner eye. Okay, so it's barely, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me get a little bit closer. So it's barely applying. I am just gonna use some glitter glue, and I just used about like, let me show you. I just used a little bit, just a little dab. And I just put it on wherever I want the glitter. So right now I'm just putting it on my inner corners of my eyes, because normally that's why I like to apply the glitter. I mean, you can apply the glitter wherever you want, but I just always like it in the inner corner of my eyes. Like I know some people like in the middle of their eyes, some people like at the outer corners. Girl, you can apply this glitter wherever you want, because at the end of the day, like I always tell you guys, as long as you feel beautiful, that's all that matters, girl. And what I'm doing is I am just patting it on to my eyelid. Let me go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll show you guys what it looks like before the glue dries, before it's not as tucky. So overall, this palette, I'm really liking it. So I'm gonna go in with Sandy and Desert. Sandy right there, and Desert, that color right there. And I'm just gonna apply this on top of my eyebrow. Boom. Blend out these colors so that way they're not so harsh. I'm just gonna go and finish doing the rest of my face, and I will be back with the final look. Alright guys, so this is the final makeup look. Okay, so for my final review on this palette, I really love this palette. It's an awesome purchase if you are thinking of getting it. I definitely recommend it. Pigment is really good. I really have no complaints other than like the glitter, but once you apply the glitter glue, it applies. But overall, I love the way that the application was for like the powder eyeshadows. But if you are thinking of getting it, I definitely recommend it. It is such a good palette, and for the price of it, it's not bad. So it was, I believe it's $25, around like 20 something dollars. Includes today's video. So go ahead and like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you never miss one of my videos. And until next time guys, never stop chasing your dreams. Bye.